Key fobs to me are a big deal because they're with you every time you drive the vehicle. You take them in and out of your pocket, in and out of your purse, you put them down in the house, and they have to be with you in order to use the vehicle. I like small, practical, multi-use key fobs. This one checks every box. This is a perfect key fob in my opinion. So look how small it is. It's not gonna get in your way in your pocket. Lock and unlock on the top. I'm gonna hold here. I'm gonna hold on the right side. Both doors just opened. Then I'm gonna hold here on the bottom right. The rear just opened. Then if the doors were locked and everything, you can hit and hold here and it will remote start the vehicle. Then at the very bottom, hit and hold, and it's the panic alarm. I love the practicality and the ease of use of this key fob. It is a fantastic one. It's super functional, it works well, and I love how Honda is not making you pay for remote start. That should be standard on every vehicle in my opinion, because it's just software and it's easy to put on and it adds so much value to the vehicle. Great key fob, Honda.